Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. I'm really sorry that my last video was a Boxycharm unboxing and now I have another one coming out. It's just that the last one came out so late that it's time to do this one before it gets to be too late as well. But I promise I'm going to make other types of videos in the future. So I don't really want to talk for too long, so let's just go ahead and get right into the Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. So this month's box is called Totally Boxycharm, which is such a cute theme here. I've had this box since I got my other box, like they were delivered on the same day, so I've been waiting for a long time to use these products, but I wanted to test them out on camera so that you guys can see like first impressions of them, so I've been waiting. I did try out one product though already, which is the Peach and Lily Glass Refining Serum. I wanted to try this one out just so that I could like give you guys an actual review of it, because like you can't tell how well serums are going to work if you only use them once. So this is just what the bottle looks like, and let's see. It says, silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing, this serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results with continued use. And then this one retails for $39, and I've been using this every day, morning and night. I think that it works really well. I'm not noticing like super dramatic results yet, because it says that you get more dramatic results with continued use. I've used this for a couple weeks now, and I've noticed that my skin is a little bit brighter, a little bit smoother, and the texture is more even. So far it's going really well. I know it has niacinamide in it, which helps to smooth out your skin, and then it also has hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate your skin. So it has really great ingredients, and I've been really enjoying this, especially in the mornings before makeup. It just helps to create a smooth base for your makeup to apply. Then I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my skin. This isn't part of the Boxycharm, but I just wanted to mention this. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. I've been using this for a few months now. This is my second container of it, and I've been using it morning and night, and oh my gosh, I just love this moisturizer so much. I got this in an old Boxy Luxe, and literally the first time I put it on, I have noticed an immediate difference in my skin, that it was brighter and smoother and looked so much more healthy and radiant. And ever since then I've been using this religiously every morning and night. I absolutely love this moisturizer, and you can get this online from It Cosmetics, but you can also pick it up in Sephora as well. Okay, so now we're going to move to the rest of the items in the box, and I haven't tried out any of these ones. First, we have the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It just looks like this. It says it's a lightweight, powerful formula which primes skin and helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. And this one retails for $42. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this as my primer today. I'm kind of excited for like a glowy look today. So the dropper just looks like this. The container looks a lot like, the No Problem Prime Essence. Like even the dropper looks the same here. But obviously they're different products and different brands. This one's from Wander Beauty. So let's just see how it goes. It says to apply 2 to 3 drops. So I'm going to try that. Oh! I honestly did not expect that to be pink. And it's really shimmery. Okay, let's go ahead and apply this. It is definitely super glowy. This probably wouldn't be good for somebody who has oily skin already. I do want the glowiness, but I don't want to look oily, so I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer, which is an oil-free primer, and I'm just going to put that around the T-zone so that way I can make sure I don't look oily. Other than that, I think that this is really good so far. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't irritate my skin. Let's move on and we can see how a foundation applies on top of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a few steps of my makeup routine, and then I'll come back for the next item in the box. So moving on to the next item in the box, I'm kind of skipping ahead. I decided that I want to do my eyes before my face makeup. So the next items are these Ace Beauty eyeshadows here. It's like an eyeshadow duo, so they come together. It says they're high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And then these two together retail for $25. And these are so like pretty. They're gorgeous eyeshadows. You can see how pretty. There's a pink one and then a silver one that I got. There's the silver one. And they look quite a lot like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I'll kind of show you them side by side here. This is the ColourPop and this is the Ace Beauty. So they're very similar packaging. These ones, the Ace Beauty ones are called Glimmer shadows, and then of course these are the Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. Let's go ahead and swatch them real quick. This pink one here is in the shade Huckleberry. Oh wow, they are super bouncy and pretty. That's the shade Huckleberry. This silver one is in the shade French Vanilla. Wow, they're so creamy actually. Let me get another swatch there. Okay, there's Huckleberry and French Vanilla side by side there. So they swatch really well. They're gorgeous. I've seen a couple Boxycharm unboxings with these, and I've seen people just put the pink all over their eyelid, but I have to go to work today after this video, so I'm trying not to make like a super crazy eye look. I'm gonna start with this Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put on some brown neutral shades on my eyes, and then we'll just do like a little pop of pink, so that way it's not like too crazy. Okay, just a quick little eye look there, and then I'm gonna take, I left the lid there, so I'm just gonna take the shade Huckleberry and place that right on my eyelid. It is super, super pigmented. I'm trying to tone it down as much as I possibly can. I think that's pretty. I don't think that's too crazy. I'm just applying a little bit and kind of trying to blend it out. I think it's going really well. They're so creamy and pigmented, and I like that I can kind of tone it down a bit as well. Like, that's gorgeous, honestly. I want to make sure I close these because they might be like the ColourPop ones where if you don't close them all the way they dry out. It doesn't really say. So now I'm just going to take a small little pencil brush here and the shade of French Vanilla, and I'm going to place that right on the inner corner just so that we use both here. That's pretty as well. It doesn't come off quite as pigmented with a brush, and the brush kind of just like pushes in the product here. But I mean, I'm not complaining because I don't want it to be super pigmented right now. Just want a little bit of highlight here. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my foundation and my concealer, and I will be right back for the next item in the box. So this next product is the product that I was most excited about, and it was the hardest for me to not use before this video. This is the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so it is a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. It is formulated with 50% water. It's supposed to create like a mist sensation on the skin for a seamless finish. So I'm super excited about this. First of all, it's also gorgeous, and I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've heard that it is able to set without looking cakey, and it feels really good, and it makes your skin look smooth and poreless. So I am so excited. Oh, and this one retails for $39. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. So I'm just gonna take my brush, and I haven't been baking lately because I've noticed that it made my face really cakey. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to apply it how I normally apply my powders. Oh my god. It feels wet. What? Oh my god, that's so crazy. Oh my god, it feels so wet. It's weird because like when I put it on my finger, and like put it on my hand, it doesn't feel wet, but like with a brush it feels super wet. How do they do this? I really like to set my face so that like my foundation and concealer, like my cream products, aren't super sticky on there. And it's still doing that even though it feels so wet. It like really blurs your skin a lot. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Yeah, it like totally blurs your skin. I can't tell if it's wet or just cold. It feels wet. It doesn't feel just cold, it feels wet. Somebody with super dry skin would love this. Like if you have trouble using powders because it makes your skin look super dry and cakey, this powder would be amazing for you. Like there was just a little bit of cakiness on my nose, which is why I went back in and powdered more, and it got rid of it. Like normal powders would have emphasized it, but this completely got rid of it, and it makes my skin look so smooth and it feels soft and silky, and I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this powder a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with contour, blush, highlight, all of that, and I will be back for the final item in the Boxycharm. Okay, so now I'm ready for the final item in the box, and this last item in the box is from Steve Laurant. It is a lip liner here. It's in the color Vogue, and it says that it is to reshape, resize, and redefine your lips. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. It's completely waterproof and lasts up to 7 hours. All right. Okay, so it is wooden, and I don't know. Let me try to. I don't know if you can see this here. It's like it looks really rough and just like it's gonna be painful. So I guess we'll see how this goes. Wow, this is a different color than it looks like. It looks brown, but it is purple. It's definitely scratching me with the wooden part of it. Okay, so the color of it is nice. Not what it looks like it's gonna be. So like I haven't even sharpened it yet, and it's already super rough from the wood, so I don't really like that, and it feels like it's hard to get a precise line on there. I mean, it's okay, but I wouldn't recommend this one. And the Steve Laurant lip liner retailed for $15. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss, which is my absolute favorite lip gloss right now, and just go over that lip liner. Okay, so there is the eye makeup and the lips, everything all done. I just need to finish off with my setting spray, and I know I've talked about this before, but it honestly is my favorite setting spray ever. This is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Honestly, if you guys want instant perfect skin and instant glow, you need to grab this. You spray it on and you're immediately super glowy and gorgeous, and I love it so much. Instantly, you're just radiant, like exactly what the mist is called. Okay, so here we go. This is the final makeup look using the Totally Boxycharm box from August. I really loved most of the products in these box. All of them except for the lip liner were amazing. And let me calculate the value of this box here. Okay, so this box was $160 value, and the cost of the box is only $21, so it's an amazing value. If you sign up for Boxycharm before the end of August, you will still receive the Totally Boxycharm box, so be sure to do that if you want to receive this box. And I will leave my reference code in the description box for any of you guys who would like to sign up. And I believe for signing up you get a free gift. If that's something you're interested in, then check in the description box below and click the link to sign up for Boxycharm. So I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. And that one, the Steve Laurant lip liner retailed my absolute. This is honestly one of the best boxes. I will leave my reference code in the